We humans are drawn to mystery. Uncharted territories, unsolved puzzles, the vast expanse of the cosmos, they beckon us with the promise of discovery. In the world of artificial intelligence, the concept of Blackbox AI holds a similar allure. These AI systems, capable of impressive feats of learning and prediction, often operate in ways we don't fully comprehend. Imagine a computer program that can accurately predict stock market fluctuations, or one that can diagnose diseases with greater precision than experienced doctors. These are not fantasies of a distant future, but realities powered by Blackbox AI. But here's the rub: we don't always know how these systems arrive at their conclusions. The inner workings of these AI models are often so complex, so deeply layered with mathematical computations, that even their creators struggle to decipher them. It's like having a brilliant but eccentric detective on your hands. He solves the case but leaves you scratching your head over his methods. This lack of transparency can be unsettling. After all, how can we trust something we don't understand? This is the central dilemma posed by Blackbox AI, the tension between its remarkable capabilities and the opaqueness of its decision-making processes. So what exactly is Blackbox AI? In essence, it refers to AI systems where the internal logic and decision-making processes remain hidden from view. Unlike traditional algorithms, where every step is explicitly programmed and understood, Blackbox AI relies on something different: machine learning. In machine learning, we feed vast amounts of data into algorithms and let them learn patterns and make predictions on their own. Think of it like teaching a child to ride a bike. We don't give them a step-by-step manual on balance and coordination. Instead, they learn through trial and error, observation and practice. Similarly, Blackbox AI systems, particularly those using deep learning techniques, create complex internal representations of the data they ingest. These representations, often consisting of millions or even billions of interconnected nodes, are incredibly difficult to interpret in human understandable terms. This is not to say that all AI is shrouded in mystery. Simpler algorithms like linear regression or decision trees are highly interpretable. We can easily trace the path from input to output, understanding the factors that influence the final decision. Blackbox AI, however, takes us into a realm where the how of decision-making is often obscured by complexity. The applications of Blackbox AI are as diverse as they are impactful. In healthcare, these systems are being used to diagnose diseases like cancer from medical images, often with accuracy surpassing human experts. Imagine the potential for early detection and improved treatment outcomes. In the realm of finance, Blackbox AI algorithms power algorithmic trading, credit scoring, and fraud detection systems. They can analyze market trends and assess risk profiles with a speed and efficiency that humans simply cannot match. Perhaps the most widely discussed application of Blackbox AI is in autonomous vehicles. These self-driving cars rely on complex machine learning algorithms to perceive their surroundings, make split-second decisions, and navigate roads safely. The potential to reduce accidents caused by human error is immense. However, these applications also highlight the ethical and practical challenges posed by Blackbox AI. If a self-driving car causes an accident, how do we determine why? If an AI system denies a loan application, can we be sure it wasn't influenced by biased data? These are not just hypothetical questions, but pressing concerns that demand our attention. The lack of transparency in Blackbox AI has spurred a growing field of research focused on explainable AI, or XAI. The goal is to develop techniques and tools that allow us to understand, at least to some degree, how these complex models arrive at their decisions. One approach involves creating interpretability layers on top of black box models. These layers attempt to extract meaningful insights from the model's internal representations, providing explanations in a way that humans can understand. Another area of research focuses on developing new types of AI models that are inherently more interpretable. This might involve using simpler models or incorporating constraints that promote transparency without sacrificing performance. The quest for explainable AI is not merely an academic exercise. It has profound implications for trust, accountability, and fairness in the age of intelligent machines. If we want AI to serve humanity in a responsible and beneficial way, we need to ensure that we can understand and scrutinize its decision-making processes.